everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new around here, my name is Amber and I run the fashion blog, The Cocoa Butter Diaries. Today, we will be unboxing something that is quite special to me and that I have been wanting to add to my collection for years. There are a lot of pieces that I have accumulated over the years and have built a fantastic wardrobe. I'm pretty proud of it. I do say so myself. But this one has eluded me for a while, mostly because I didn't want to pay full price for it, if I'm being perfectly honest. They expensive and I was hoping that I could catch them on sale, and I finally did. So what is the item, you may ask? We'll get into it in a second. But first, if you're already this far into the video, I would hope that you like it and then also subscribe to my channel, because I do lots of little hauls and unboxing videos like this. And then I also do styling and wardrobe tips. So if that's something that you're into, why don't you just go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and then also hit that bell notification so that you don't miss one of my posts. All right, now that the housekeeping is out of the way, let's just get back to what I was gonna unbox. This is what I've been waiting for. Now, I just need to take a minute to just prepare myself for this, because like I said, this is something that I have been wanting for years. So I'm very, very excited about this purchase. Doesn't happen often that I get these kinds of feels, but yeah, it's definitely a good time. So let's unbox it together, shall we? Here we are. These are the Isabel Marant Dewina booties in beige. It's kind of a Western style, which is what Isabel Marant is known for when it comes to their boots. It has a nice little slightly pointed toe. It's not a full pointy toe, it's more kind of like an almond shape. It has a nice low heel that's like a dark brown. It's not quite black. These are suede, and then as you can see, it just has like a little bit of an ombre effect at the toe. I've been wanting these for so long, and like I said, it's really difficult to find these on sale. I happened to be on Italist, and I saw that they were having a pretty good deal on these boots. Normally these boots are about, I think they're $7.25, and I was able to get them for, I believe it was like $4.75 or something like that. I'm pleased as punch to be able to save that much on these boots. Like I said, I was eventually probably just gonna bite the bullet and pay full price for them, but I'm so glad that I was patient and I was able to get a really good deal on these. Italist is where I bought them. See, this is the little tag. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so I got these boots from Italist. I ordered the boots on, I think it was Monday, and they got here yesterday. And they weren't supposed to be here until Monday, as in like 2 days from now. And so the fact that they actually showed up early, that makes me happy too. Given everything going on with Rona, the fact that they got here so fast, like, I am ecstatic. So now that I've unboxed my new babies, I thought I'd style them for you. So why don't we just, go on over to the wardrobe rack and let's put some outfits together with these fab new boots.
Look number one is a preppy wear to work look. It features this navy blue open front cardigan that's from J. Crew, this striped shirt from the J. Crew men's department, and these vintage straight white jeans that are also from J. Crew. And to round out my look, I have my Celine Songle bucket bag in taupe. And I'm ready to go. Next, we have this date night look featuring a Zara bustier top and a Zara dress that I'm wearing as a blouse because it's really, really short. But hey, do you if you like it short. I layered some high-rise black skinny jeans from J. Crew underneath and finished the look with my trusty Bottega clutch that goes with me everywhere. Next, we have a all black look featuring this Zara sweater that I've worn a bajillion times because I love it and it's so soft. And I added my Gucci Dionysus belt for a little glam, and then I have on the same black skinny jeans from the look before and finished the look with my Fendi baguette. Next, we have a running errand / casual look. I'm wearing my favorite Yankees hat, and then I layered my plain white Hanes tee that I get from the men's section. It's their undershirts usually, with this Wallace & Barnes utility jacket that's from J. Crew Men's, my vintage Gucci crossbody bag, and my Levi's wedgie icon jeans that I got from Aritzia that I will never stop wearing. And last, we have this cute little brunch look featuring this Forever 21 off-the-shoulder dress. Sorry, I bought it last summer, so it's no longer sold. My Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch 26 as a clutch, and this lack of color hat because who doesn't love a good hat? Thanks for watching. Bye.